Okay, hello everyone. As promised, we're going to do the pumpkins with the urns. And I already took a 24-inch wreath, which I purchased from Joann's. It doesn't matter where you get them. I just had that on hand. So I took 2 of these, one for each pumpkin, obviously. And I just put mesh around, not even, almost half of it. Just a little bit, just to cover up a little bit of the green. I already made my bow. I ran out of the pink ribbon, so I ended up using some polka dots. But the other ribbon is the same that is in the garland, if you watch that tutorial. So I'm just going to put my ribbon kind of off to the side here. Lift up my wreath here really quick. Try to find the wire for the wreath. I'm going to tie it around the wire. You can obviously use the pine ties as well. I'm not going to do it tight because I kind of want it on the side. Okay. And then I'm going to mush that down. I want this to the front, so my pumpkin can sit on the wreath. So take my pumpkin. You can see a little bit of green there. That's okay. You fluff out your bow if you want, or you can wait. You know me, I don't like to wait. I fluff it as I go. Okay, there we go. All right. That's good for now. Okay, so let me see. First things first, I only have a little bit from the ball garland, and that's perfectly fine. You don't need a lot. I'm just going to put that in, get a pine tie, wrap it around the garland wire. And same on this side. I thought I would actually have to purchase another, garland, but I did my first pumpkin, my first pumpkin in the urn, and it was perfect. With all the sprays and everything, I didn't need it. Okay. Let's see, I have 3 more I just cut up. I think let's tuck these green ones in there. I don't want those to be seen. Yes, probably some green will show, but if I can, I'm going to try to hide it. All right, I'm just going to add some more right underneath. If I can, there we go, there's a tie. I would have liked actually to do the pink wreath, but I didn't have any, so work with what you have. There we go, kind of fluff up the garland around the balls. Okay. Now I also have, you can get them, I bought two little cylinders of these little balls from Michael's. Whoops. And I just put some pipe cleaner on. Just for a little more color. I'm going to put this one over here. Once again, just get a tie. Smoosh it in there. I'm going to put the bright And actually, I think I'm gonna do the little striped one. Right here. Above my bow. Because I don't want the pipe cleaner from the bow to show. Just my preference. You know what I forgot? I forgot to do something. Hold on. Don't do any more. Okay. Actually, I'm going to take these out because I did mess up. I forgot to add the rest of my ribbon. And I want to do that first before I add this. So I'm so very sorry. I probably don't have to do this, but oh, you know what? This one's gonna stay because he doesn't want to come out. All right. So I only have the pink left, and that's fine because most of my mesh is black and orange. So, all right. I'm going to take a tie, wrap it around. I'm keeping the ribbon on the roll. I'm just going to make a little loop and find another tie. Tie it around. And I'm going to do another loop. Going to cut and dovetail. Yeah, okay. I guess I didn't really have to take the ball garland out. And then I'm going to do another tail. This one over here. Just to add some more pink so it coordinates with my garland. And as you saw, my garland had the pink mesh in it. I ran out of the pink mesh, so like I said, I just used what I had and it still matches fine. Let's do another little loopy here. Where, yeah, there we go. In there. Just for a little pop of pink. So I'm just going to do one loop there and dovetail. Okay, and that is all for our ribbon. Okay, now I can put these in here. Let's see, the green. Okay, so like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little balls and insert them where I feel want, you can do the whole wreath in mesh. I just figured it'd save time and obviously save on the mesh. Okay. Excuse me here. Let's kick that out of the way. Adding my little ornaments. They might not be seen, but that's okay. Let's see. This one I'll add right in here. Wish I had bought more of the eyeballs. And I can always go back and do that if I want to. Excuse me. And let's see, how about right in here. I might actually end up doing that, put some eyeballs in here to coordinate with the garland, but we'll see. And also, I wish I had another set of lights. It looks so cool at night. It's just so orange. Looks like a whole different garland, like from the between the day and the nighttime. I love it. Okay. And I purchased some of these at Michael's, these little long glitter stems. I'm just going to be shoving those in. Actually, let's kind of maneuver them first so they're not all straight. We want them to be kind of flowy. Excuse my buttocks. My buttocks. Okay. There we go. Fun, excuse me again. And about right in here. There we go. All right. Like, I don't know if I told you, I got these from Michael's. I believe they were only like $1.99. Super cheap. So I just got 8 of them, 4 for each. All right, now for these curly sprays, the little stripe sprays, or some say Beetlejuice sprays. And just stick those in. Go. Super easy, no glue required. And excuse me again. I like this one right here, I think. There we go. Let's turn this one around too. There we go. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, and now also have these little curly cues with the balls on top, same ones that I used in the garland. I believe I purchased these from Craft Outlet. Let's see here. Might have to find some orange lights and place those in after the fact, but that's fine. And your pumpkin's probably gonna move around a lot, but while you're adjusting, but that's perfectly fine. It's to be expected. Put one of these right here as well. Put this one right here. Oh, my leg is shaky. Oh, what's it going on? Excuse me again. Put this one in there. Need to tie and twist around this one. There we go. And I think I'm going to do the same over here. Just find a tie. Twist around. And that, my friends, is it. That is it. The pumpkin, I actually, by the way, I did purchase from the at-home store. So I think they were like $39.99, so super cheap compared to some of the places. And that is that. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.